Number 26. Alan is reviewing his receipts from 3 different visits to a spa. Lucky Alan. He apparently gets to go to the spa all the time. He's trying to determine the individual costs of his favorite spa treatments. Don't we all love back rubs, facials, and manicures? Alan, however, is confused about the different costs, and he wants to figure out the cost of just the back rub. Notice they give us 3 conditions here. A manicure and a back rub and a facial, a manicure and a facial, and all of these different values. You could try and write 3 different equations to be able to merge these pieces, but why? Why not just use the numbers and make sure we get this right in the simplest way possible? So, how much is the back rub? We're going to say it's $9. If the back rub is $9 and we go back to the first condition, they said a manicure and a back rub together cost $18. Well, if the back rub's $9, how much is the manicure? That's right. It's also going to be $9. So when we take a look at this, we've now solved for the first condition. But we don't know if this works for all the conditions. So just because we made one work does not mean we're done. Let's take a look at the second condition. A back rub and a facial together cost 19 bucks. By the way, this is a super discounted spa. I don't know how often you get a chance to go to the spa, but these deals are incredible. We should go find Alan's spa. Anyway, the back rub is 9 bucks. The facial with that costs 19, so that must mean the facial is 10 bucks. We've now solved for 2 of the conditions. In order to see if our answer is going to work for the third one, we've got to try one more thing. Manicure and a facial together cost $21. Well, we know the manicure is 9 and we know the facial is 10. Does that make 21? No, it does not. It only makes $19. Now, it may be confusing for many students which direction to go here. But remember my advice, you can't mess this up. If you go in one direction and don't find your answer, all you have to do is turn around and go the other way. Let's go and try the back rub at $10. If the back rub is $10, that means the manicure is 8. Why? Because those 2 together cost 18. A back rub and a facial together are 19. If our back rub's 10, then our facial is 9. Now we put the manicure and the facial together to see if it works out for the 21, and notice it's 17. It's gotten further away from the number that we want, that 21. So even though we went in the wrong direction towards J, all is not lost. Don't fret. Just turn around and go the other direction. J and K would take us further from our number, so now we're going to go try 8 instead. If our back rub is 8, that means our manicure is 10. 10 plus 8 makes 18. Our back rub and our facial together make 19. So back rub is 8, that must mean the facial is 11, because 8 plus 11 makes 19. Now we can check that third condition, which is a manicure and a facial. What's 10 plus 11? That's 21. G works, and we're done.